Are your current windows and doors making your home appear a little outdated? Is it time for a fresher, updated look? Renaissance Windows and Doors offers stylish and energy-efficient solutions for your home's tired exterior. From expert installation to ENERGY Star certified products, we've got your architectural tastes and styles covered. With updated custom windows and doors, you'll not only boost curb appeal but also lower your utility bills and increase your home's natural beauty and value. Our front entry doors are both beautiful and durable. They will welcome you and your friends for years to come. They complement your home's natural aesthetics and provide gorgeous curb appeal. Don't settle for anything less. Call Renaissance Windows and Doors at 713-863-9988. Act now for outstanding premium selection. Call us at 713-863-9988. Renaissance is committed to revitalizing your home with superior windows and doors. Call us now at 713-863-9988 and get the best custom windows and doors in Houston.